Custom Recovery TWRP on Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. Hello and welcome to Craxoid YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how can you install Custom Recovery TWRP on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. So without further ado, let's get started. This is Redmi Note 8, which is running on Android 9, which is Android Pie, and has the Android security patch level of 2019 November 1 and is based on MIUI 11. And to install TWRP on this Redmi Note 8, what you have to do is you have to simply press the MIUI version about 7 times to enable the developer option. I've already enabled the developer option, so I'm already a developer. So now go back and go to the additional settings and then scroll down a little bit, and then you will see developer option, and inside the developer option you will see unlock written there in MI unlock status. That means we have already unlocked the bootloader of our phone, and remember, you have to unlock the bootloader of your phone to install custom recovery TWRP on your phone. And if you don't know how to unlock the bootloader of your any Xiaomi phone, then I've already made a video about it. You can check, the video will be in the description below, and can easily unlock the bootloader of your any Xiaomi phone. And scroll down a little bit, then you will see USB debugging. So simply enable it. I've already enabled it. So now go back and then go to the fast boot mode. And if you don't know how to go to the fast boot mode, then simply long press your power button and volume down button simultaneously. Then you will be redirected to the fast boot mode. So we're in fast boot mode right now. And now simply connect your phone to the computer with the help of Type-C data cable. So simply connect it. And now go to the computer. So let's go to the computer. Before going to the computer, remember one thing: this process will wipe out all of your user data because we have to format our phone in this process. So make sure you keep the backup of your phone before proceeding to this step. So now let's go to the computer. So we're in our computer where our phone is connected in it through the data cable, and our phone is in fast boot mode. So in computer, what you have to do is you have to simply download these 3 files from the description below. I'll provide their link in the description below so that you can easily download these 3 files. So first of all, install this ADB installer. This kind of interface will appear. So simply press Y from the keyboard and hit the enter button. Press Y and hit enter button again. Press Y and hit enter button again. And then click on next. And then click on finish. And ADB drivers are installed on our computer. And now copy that remaining 2 files, TWRP and zip file. So simply copy it. And then go to this PC and go to the C drive, and there you will see ADB folder. So simply open that ADB folder and paste in here. And now type CMD on that box and hit the enter button, and command prompt will appear. And in command prompt we have to type some commands, and our first command is fastboot space devices, and hit the enter button. And some numbers will shown here. That means our phone is connected to the computer in fast boot mode. And then we have to type our second command, and our second command is fastboot space flash space recovery space, and then drag that TWRP files from the ADB folder to the command prompt, and then hit the enter button. And now we have to reboot our phone to the recovery mode, and for that we have to type out another command, and that is fastboot space boot space, and drag that TWRP image file from ADB folder to command prompt and hit the enter button. And at the same time you will notice that your phone will reboot to custom recovery TWRP mode. So now we have to type our last command, and that is exit, and hit the enter button, and command prompt will exit from your desktop. And at last send that disable TM Verity force encrypt zip file from your computer to Redmi Note 8. So right click on it and send to Redmi Note 8. I'll do copy and replace because I've transferred that file already. So now our work in computer is done. So let's go to the mobile phone. Now you can remove that data cable from your mobile phone. So this is how custom recovery TWRP looks like. So this is the basic interface of TWRP. And now here in TWRP, what you have to do is you have to simply click on that install button and search for the disable DM Verity zip file that you have transferred earlier. So now click on it and then swipe to confirm flash, and then you will get an error 1 problem. So as you can see here on the screen, we got an error 1 problem. So don't worry, I will show you how to fix it. So now how to fix this error 1 problem and how to flash that disabled DM variety zip file. So for this, go back and click on that mount button, and from here select that Finder and go back and recheck again either the Finder is selected or not. So it is selected, and now go back and click on that install button again and select that disable DM variety zip file again and swipe to confirm flash, and then you will not get any error 1 problem. So now it's installing. So now it's installed. So now go back and then click on that wipe button. So just click on it and click on format data, and now type YES and click on that tick mark, and that will format all of your user data. So now simply click on that reboot system and do not install. So now this will reboot your phone to the system, and this will take some little bit of time. So I will fast forward this process. And here we have to do simple basic boot setup. So I will fast forward this process as well. When this boot setup will be finished, without wasting any time, I will directly go to the custom recovery mode and show you that custom recovery TWRP is still installed on our phone. So now simply click on that setting and click on that about phone, and then simply click on that system update. Click on that 3 dots, but there is no any option to go to the recovery mode for now. So click on that 11 logo for about 10 times, and additional feature will be activated, and then click on that 3 dots again and click on that reboot to recovery mode. So click on reboot now, and now your phone will reboot to custom recovery mode. Just wait few seconds, our phone is about to boot into the custom recovery TWRP mode. So you can see the logo of Team Win, that means TWRP is still installed on our phone. So you can see here, there is custom recovery TWRP on our phone. That means we have successfully installed custom recovery TWRP on our Redmi Note 8. So this is the full procedure to install custom recovery TWRP on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8, and I hope you understand how to install custom recovery TWRP on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. So I hope you like this video as well, and if you like this video, just let me know, hit that like button, comment below if you have any kinds of queries, suggestions or any kinds of problem. Share this video as much as you can, and don't forget to subscribe to our Craxoid YouTube channel and hit that notification bell as well. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.